What's up, YouTube? My name is Tasha, and I am super excited to do this video. It has literally taken me forever to figure out editing and all of that stuff, but I have got it done. So I've shampooed my client. I'm going to be blow drying her with my Tamed dryer. Before I start the blow dry, I prep her hair with It's the 10 and my Kenra blow dry spray because we definitely want to protect the hair from heat damage. Throughout this, well, not throughout the video, but you'll see me struggling initially with the blow dryer because it's new and she's the first client that I've used this blow dryer on. It was a TikTok buy and it is super small, a lot smaller than what I'm used to. So it felt awkward in my hand and I didn't feel like it was blow drying her hair like it needed to be. So I started off with the comb attachment, then I tried a dimming brush, and then I settled on a round brush, which started doing the trick for me and the hair started getting straighter. But you'll see that. Just stay tuned and I'll get through this blow dry and then I'll be back. So can we get into this color for a second? This color is so beautiful. This is Jazz. She is one of my client faves, my brand ambassador. She just models my styles for me and I love it. She slays the look. She knows she slays the look. She's beautiful. We went from red to this copper color and I just think it fits her skin tone so well. It's so beautiful. And yeah, I just needed to let y'all know that she's a great model and I loved how the look turned out on her. Is so beautiful. I initially was going to post this style as a style for beginners, but it's not really for beginners, I guess, because you got to know how to braid. A lot of people don't know how to braid. So if you don't know how to braid, then it's not going to be an easy style for you. I'm straightening her hair, getting her ready for this ponytail. I'm straightening her hair so that the ponytail is sleek. The blow dryer did a okay job, but yeah, I definitely have to run that heat through it to get it as sleek as I want it to be. So we're just going to straighten her out and then I will begin molding that ponytail. So you see me switching flat irons. When I ordered my Time Out blow dryer, I also got the flat iron because I had heard so many rave reviews about it on TikTok. But that sucked as a flat iron. I didn't like that at all. So I was trying to use it. She was the first person to use that on as well. But I was like, I ain't got time for that. So I had to heat that baby list up so we could get the job done because I was on a time crunch. I had a short amount of time and she had somebody waiting on her. So I had to bust out my baby list. So now I'm starting to mold that ponytail. I've got the hair flattened out pretty good. I am going to map out her little bang pieces and her baby hair, and I want to do that before I start hairspraying too much because once it gets too hard then it will hurt her for me to comb out baby hairs and stuff. So I'm using my sprays, making sure everything is sleek and looking good. If I have any humps or bumps in my ponytail, I just take it down, smooth it back up, and make sure everything is right. As you can see, I'm mapping out those baby hairs. because I need everything to be super neat and laid because we love a good laid hairstyle. I think I got some hairspray on her phone, so I was being sweet and getting it off for her. I obviously had a hump or a bump in my ponytail, so I, like I said, took that ponytail down, redid it until it was to my liking and as smooth and as sleek as I wanted it to be. There's a couple of things that I would do different doing the style again, but like I said, I was crunched for time. It was a first time style, but I love how it turned out and she loved it as well. So now I am going to start adding in the braiding hair. The color match is on point. Like it literally couldn't match any better. Ugh, I just love everything about it. So I am splitting the hair in two, and I'm going to wrap a ponytail holder around it and tie it around her real ponytail, like so. So I'm wrapping that rubber band around her hair so that the two blend together. And then I start twisting. This video really didn't show me braiding that well, but like I said, y'all, give me some grace. This is my first hair video, and yeah, I'm just starting from somewhere. Going into the style again, I would use more of a pomade to make sure her hair was sticking to the braiding hair. But either way it goes, it turned out bomb. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to incorporate her hair with the braiding hair. And I just started braiding. And this is where I didn't capture how I started the braid that good. So I'm sorry for whoever wanted to see the braid. There will be more videos. And I also have a braid digital course out if you just really want to learn how to braid and how to feed in this hair. So I started the braid and I am feeding it in. And so you can kind of see what I'm doing, but yeah, we're going to get through that braid and then I'll show y'all some finishing touches you can do for your hairstyles. We're nearing the end of the style and I am looking around everywhere because I realized that I don't have any rollers. I had just moved into my salon suite and had maybe been there for a couple of weeks. And so, yeah, I didn't have any rollers. So I was looking around to see what I could roll up the end of the braid with. And so, yeah, I'm thinking. And I'm using my product to make sure that the end of that braid is neat. So I'm looking around and I ended up using a little thing of Tylenol at first. I tried that and just like wrapped it around a rubber band. Now I am laying her edges with my grip and glaze edge control, getting those slicked up, and I'm going to curl her bang pieces. I couldn't decide if I wanted them straight or curly, but I thought curly was a vibe, so we went with curly, and I am loving how it looks. It's just so beautiful, like chef's kiss. I love hair. So yes, we are done. I'm using some serum to add some shine. I'm gonna hit it again with the hairspray. And as I'm getting done, I am just visualizing different things. And so I decided it would be cute. I decided that it would be cute wrap, um, to braid one end of the braiding hair and twist the other end and just do something super cool to wrap around the braid to add some detail, because your girl is a girl of detail. So I have my client to help me by holding it while I get one end twisted. And then, whenever I get that end twisted, we switch to the other end. And I believe that I braided it. We'll see what I did. As y'all can see, she's already like, period. She's seeing the vision. She's already starting to feel herself. Well, Jazz is always feeling herself as she should, because if you're beautiful and you slay, like, feel it. You know what I'm saying? Love you. Feel beautiful. Know that you're beautiful. Know that you are blessed. You are of God's image. So own it. That's what I love about her. She owns it as she should. So I left out a piece of this braiding hair. I didn't know if I was going to braid it or what I was going to do with it, but I decided to just make another rope braid and just wrap them around the main braid to just make the style taller. So you can be creative whenever it comes to this braiding hair. Braiding styles are super dope because braiding hair is cheap. I think we just used 2 packs of braiding hair. So literally a hairstyle for under $10. You cannot beat that. You just got to find a stylist with some skills. If you don't have one, Google me. If you're in the DFW, I got you. So I just braid that rope braid down, and then I will start wrapping it. I am talking to my little Nene in the background, no telling what she was talking about. And now I am using my rat tail comb, and if there's any flyaways, I'm tucking it into the braid, making sure everything is neat and perfect, looking how I want it to look, feeling how I want it to feel, and just tweaking the style to my liking. I am going to make sure her baby hairs is laid good on the other side, making sure they're doing everything I wanted them to do, and making sure her bang pieces are good and curling how I want them to curl. You just start perfecting at this point. I wanted to give her a little more baby hair in the front. She doesn't even grow baby hair because her hair is so long. This is a step that I wouldn't do again if I did this style. I dip the hair in hot water because I'm just used to dipping braiding hair, but dipping this braid made it thinner. As you can see, I would have liked to have kept it fluffier and bigger, but this was a look too, and some people may like this look. I like this look. Clearly, she loved it, but my vision was a fluffier braid, and so just without thinking, I dipped it. And so doing the style again, I wouldn't dip it. I would leave it big, and I would probably even pull it out and fan it out and make it have more of a butterfly effect. But yeah, I love it. either way, but I'm a perfectionist and I'm a visionary, so I want things exactly how I see them in my head, and the style was definitely how I seen it in my head until I dipped it, and then I was like, "No, it took the fluff away." But as you can see, she's feeling it, and yeah, that's all that matters. I just want my people to feel beautiful. And she clearly does. So yeah, y'all, leave in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this look. Let me know what y'all would do different if y'all did it, or if you like it the way it is. Just let me know. Leave me some comments. Like I said, this is my first YouTube video, and I am so glad that I overcame my fear, and which it really wasn't even a fear. It was just like, I know it's so much work and I just didn't want to deal into figuring all the editing and stuff out, but I'm glad that I made it happen and got the first video out the way so that I can just get better and grow from here. So here I decided to add some gold cord, because like I said, as I get into the style, things start coming to my mind and I'm like, oh, this will be cute. That would be cute. And actually, if I had more time, I would have even liked to put rhinestones on her hair, like her hair outside of the ponytail. That would have definitely been a look. You can check out my Instagram and you will see her rocking the look and how she rocked it and how she added her swag to it. The style was super dope. So the cord was definitely a good little final touch. And now you can see our pictures. Watch her slay. You feel me? Check me out on Instagram. Like and subscribe to my page and show me some love, y'all. Show me some love. And we recording. Okay. I'll get into this. Get done by the best, the one and only. Okay, y'all already know. I'm something simple, something light, something cute, but it makes a statement. It does that.